Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it all in.
Today I'm here with one more of these packages, right? I know I get so much of these boxes that look like this, but today I'm working with Jurllyshe hair. So this is the packaging. Firstly, I'm seeing the wig. Before we get into that, I got this little card with their information on it. It's branded Jurllyshe. Has their website and everything listed, you know, their social media, all that good stuff. And then I got this goodie bag as well as a wig cap. It's everything in the box. So let's see what we got in our goodie bag. I got this scarf and these clips. Lastly, I got a pair of lashes. So that's everything in the goodie bag. Today we're working with a closure wig, a 4x4 lace closure wig. This is actually 14 inches long and it's Brazilian hair. It's a nice cute closure bob. It's like of a loose curly texture. Yeah, it does feel pretty nice. Am I getting shedding? Yes, I got a couple strands. I am getting shedding straight out of the packaging. There is some shedding there, so just to let you know, it's not a lot. I'm not getting any more. Yes, I got like one more strand. So this is the construction of the wig. 4x4, as I said. It's 3 combs in total and adjustable straps in the back. So yeah, so you know, classic center part bob vibes, but it's super easy to install. So yeah, it's nice. It's not heavy, you know, it's a short, it's a bob, so it's, yeah, the density is really nice. It's full, looks really good. So let's go ahead and jump into installing this.
Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice.
I have to say, it slipped on so easy. It is nicely snugged to my head and it is lightly plucked, lightly. You could go in and pluck it more if you want, but I really don't mind it. I'm gonna go because it's not very dense. You see, sometimes when they come, like sometimes I'll definitely go in and pluck it further if like it's really dense in the hairline, but it's not. So I'm gonna go ahead and just use my got2b spray to spray it down. It looks really good though, like it looks really good. And as I said before, I've mentioned this more than once in my hair videos, like closure wigs are so growing on me, like growing on me. I feel like closure, sometimes you're going on vacation, for example, and you want a nice wig, but I feel like a lot of people shy away from lace front wigs. When you're going on vacation, you realize they wear more braids because they can't deal with the maintenance one and maintenance of the lace, like lifting, all that stuff. I feel like with a closure, the center portion is always easier to maintain as opposed to the sides. So like, I feel like closure wigs are perfect for vacation. I've never worn one on vacation before though, but I think I might just give it a try.
Eyes stood counterclockwise. I dream of you all night. Feel with the emotion, follow the signs. With this devotion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know it, you are falling in love with me. Little sweet and spice. Made a love potion for you. Little sweet and spice. Made a love potion for you. This is the moment, no turning back. One drop on your lips and the spell will take effect. Under the moonlight, stay close to my side. We're burning so bright. Oh, oh, oh. Feel the devotion, follow the signs. With this devotion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know it, you are falling deep in love with me.
You could definitely go ahead, rock it as is if you wish in its dry state, but I'm gonna get it wet today. You know, sometimes it's just it depends on your mood. You know, it all depends on it's really nice and voluminous. It's really pretty, definitely giving curly Sue vibe. All right, so I have my spray bottle here and my brush, and I don't have much, just a tad bit of conditioner in this. It's mostly water though, so I'm gonna go ahead and just mist it. It's such a quick install, like it really don't take a long time to, you know, install a facial wig.
Made of the potion for you. Hey, yeah. Made of the potion for you.
Hair looks good. It's like nice loose, it's a nice loose curly texture. As I said before, I'm gonna be sure to put all the specifications of this wig in my description box, so please go ahead and check that out. Shout out to Jurllyshe here for this. You guys, if you didn't catch my recent haul that I did with Jurllyshe clothes, go ahead and check that out, okay? I do have that live right now on this very same channel. I'll even link it in this video down below, so check that out. Those were some cool fits, you know, cool fits, so you can check that out. So Jurllyshe is pretty versatile. They do hair, they have clothes, like what. So yeah, it's really nice. You know, leave your thoughts down below on this wig. As I said before, all the information will be in my description box, so go ahead, check that out. Don't forget to go ahead and check out my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV, as well. Vlogmas is like literally right around the corner. It's literally like a week and maybe some days away. So go ahead, subscribe to PETITE-SUE TV, because you know your girl uploads every day in December, well, up until Christmas Day. I'm not sure I'm doing Vlogcember this year, but we're gonna see. I don't know. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.